Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. For a start, last week I hit 3 milestones. So I hit 12,000 subscribers. I posted my 200th video and I've had 3 million views since I started. Now I've been doing YouTube for a year in 11 days time. So I'm almost at my year point now of doing YouTube, and I've hit 3 million views, which I'm quite proud of, and it's all thanks to all of you. That's why I say this is your channel. It always has been, it always will be your channel. The input you put in makes this channel grow. Yeah, I can't thank everyone enough. It's been mind-blowing since I started. I'm just going to zoom into this cherry picker here. Looks like that bit of corner cladding's going to go in there. Yeah, it's been a good journey. I've enjoyed it. I started off really nervous. Didn't really know what I was going to do. I just bit the bullet and started on it. And I advise anyone, if you want to do something, just do it. Don't let anyone put you off. Don't worry about what other people are going to say or think. Just do it. If there's something that you want to do, but you worry about what people are going to say, the way social media is these days, everyone's very critical these days. But since I started this, I've had me odd knockers, and I mean the odd ones. It's very rare. In the past year, I've probably mentioned, a handful of times, maybe 10 times, about people that have knocked me out of 200 videos. Okay, I don't think it's any more than 10. I'd be surprised if it is 10. But the amount of love that you've shown me has been unbelievable. Okay, so it's just, yeah, it's been a brilliant journey, and long may it continue. Sorry, I'm just going up while I'm zoomed in here. Let me come out of touch. Yeah, there's quite a lot going on the roof today, so I'll do some zoom ins on the roof. Okay, so yeah, so 3 million views is phenomenal. I'm made up with it in less than a year. Tomorrow, there won't be a video tomorrow. I graduate my foundation degree tomorrow. Yeah, we get a graduation for the foundation. Who knew? So I'll get my graduation tomorrow for my foundation degree, then I go on to my BA, so I'll get a graduation for my BA next year, and then I go on to my masters and get a graduation for my masters. So cap and gown for the next 3 years. Hopefully, if I pass. Yeah, so let's see what's going on. Yeah, the rope access is walking over there. Obviously getting a briefing there, so yeah. It's a bit chilly today. You know what? It started off really warm this morning, and now it's gone a little bit overcast. And we're expecting rain about 12 o'clock. This is 9:30 in the morning, by the way. Yeah, so that's that going on there anyway, so should be quite a bit going on the road today. The roof, because I pointed down the road. Oh yeah, yesterday's video as well. You know what? I'm surprised no one accused me of clickbaiting yesterday when I mentioned the UFO. It's just that someone put in the comments that they saw the UFO, and you know what? It's been a bit of a talking point. So you know what? And people have took it in the good, the joke that it was, if you like. You know what I mean? They took it. You all took it in good humour. There was one or two that didn't, and took it really serious. But it's just, you took it in the humour that it was intended, which is what it was all about. But I said I called drone on that. A lot of people saying an aeroplane either coming towards or away from my point of view. Okay, so that's why it looks static. So I'm going to have another look at it. I haven't had a chance to have another look at it yet. But a lot of you are saying that. I had the odd one or two first saying plane. I was thinking, yeah, maybe not. So that brickwork's nearly come up on that column there. Yeah, but the general consensus was either a police drone or an aeroplane. A lot of saying police drone, a lot of saying airplane. So yeah, a little bit of a talking point, and people took it in a good humour that it was intended. So that's all that matters to me. The reason why I mentioned UFOs, because someone genuinely said in the comments section, said that they thought he saw the UFO in my video, and I didn't see it, so I looked back, and it took me a while to find it, and so yeah, what's that there? First thing I thought was drone. Zoomed in, it looks like a drone. So I'm sticking with drone, but a lot of people saying airplane. Now, people saying that they wanted to look at this side because the cladding's getting done, and I missed it. Can't believe I missed that yesterday. You know, the corner that we're all concentrating on. So the crane is down, and the cladding up. So it must be everything that they've wanted to get in there, the palings that they want to get in there, whatever the calls, is all done. And it's all getting cladded up there now. So for those that were asking, would that stay open? No, it's getting cladded up. I'll go over the pitch in a minute, but I'm sticking with me Wednesday when the pitch will be going down. Watch, I'll get over there now. It'll be half late. You can see. Yeah, that was already road. That was already tarmac there anyway, wasn't it? Is it getting re-tarmacked? Yeah, there's something going on there, isn't there? To lead on to the rest of the Anfield road. People going on about bollards. Anfield road's up. Well, it hasn't always had bollards, but people saying it'll be closed off the road. It won't be closed off. It'll only get closed off on match days. And every other day it'll be a normal working road, and it'll be wide enough for two-way traffic as well. Okay. Right, I shall get. There's something going on down there. I just want to make sure I'm covering everything outside that people have asked. It's amazing the way they put a scaffolding up now. I remember I'd done a YTS as what was my YTS in? Youth training scheme as a painter and decorator. I think it lasted a week. I didn't like it, but we had to put a scaffold tower up, and that was hard enough. So how they do that? Yeah, it's brilliant. It's a skill. Let's have a look over the pitch. Absolutely no change. I reckon the preparations will be going in tomorrow maybe, and then laying on Wednesday. I don't know if the weather might have a factor in this. It's going to be pretty crappy weather all week, but we'll just see. That tractor hasn't moved for a couple of days now. Yeah, there's not a lot to look at there. I'm starting to feel a few spots of rain on me. Right there, there's some workers down there. So they're going to carry on that cladding there, aren't they? Get that, yeah. Oh, it looks like all the finishing touches going in on the roof now. All the tidying up to do. That's span there. Then we're going to have. Oh, there's not much to go. Yeah, there's not much to go here, is there? To join the two stands up there. It isn't a shoulder span like that piece there. Which that's almost completed now. all this here. Yeah, it's just tidying up on the roof to do now, so yeah, we're getting there. So come lower now. Yeah, the brickies are carrying on here. So getting that all built up. Yeah, it's all looking well. I think I've covered enough there for now. Let's have a quick look on this upper level here. You can see someone moving around. So does all this get, does anyone know if all this gets tarred? Over there. You see it? couple of workers going past having a saying they can't see me drone. Sometimes. Depends if people enough.
I was expecting my mate to send me a photograph of what we went fishing on the Mersey yesterday.
Oh right, yeah.
I said, what you catch that? He had a big bucket of fish. He said,
yeah.
Have a grenade.
Yeah. The same lads who were talking to me the other day, you know, about the spying drone. It's the same lads. Yeah, so right, sorry about that, yeah, I was talking away. So yeah, does that top level get tarred now, does it? You know, for, I don't know, waterproofing up there? I honestly don't know, that's why I asked the question. I have questions as well, you see, that I can't answer because I don't know the answer. So that's why I put it out there to all you to let me know. Right, guys, gonna leave it there. No video, well, no development video tomorrow. I'm gonna try and make something special up if I get the time today. But if not, if there's nothing on tomorrow, I'll speak to you all on Wednesday. Wednesday, when hopefully the turf's going down. No, my luck, it'll go down tomorrow when I'm doing my graduation, and I've got no chance of looking at it. But apart from that, I thank everyone for getting me to these milestones. You know, 12,000 subscribers, 3 million views. It's amazing. Again, subscribing is completely free. Please subscribe to the channel if you like it. There's going to be loads coming. I've got loads planned now. I've been writing scripts left, right and centre. Doing loads of research on stuff. So yeah, there's loads coming. After this build, Bramley Moor, I'm going to get down to Bramley Moor. I'm going to do more stuff down there. I might make an announcement in my next video about what I'm going to do about Bramley Moor. But apart from that, thank you. Like the video, it helps to get the reach out there. Lets more people see my stuff, and comments. I always reply to them and I appreciate them. Okay, so look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.